Ness-ana TV. Okay, friends, welcome back to the class. Are you ready? Shapes. Today we are going to be talking about the different types of shapes that we have. We are going to be talking about the different types of shape and then objects that have those shapes. Shapes. Can you say that? Again, shapes. The first one is circle. Circle. Can you say that? Again, circle. Objects that have the shape of a circle are ball, that is football. Orange. Clock. Tomatoes. Coin. And plates. Can you see that all of them are circular in shape? Triangle. Can you say that? Again, triangle. Objects that have the shape of a triangle are hanger. T-square. A slice of pizza. A slice of watermelon. Square. Can you say that? Again, square. Good job. Objects that have the shape of a square are clock, that is wall clock. Chair. Window. A picture frame. Biscuit. And the lunch box. Can you see that all of them have the shape of a square? Rectangle. Can you say that? Again, rectangle. Objects that have the shape of a rectangle. Television. Computer keyboard. Can you see that? Chocolate bar. Table. Envelope. envelope. And building block. Can you see that all of them have the shape of a rectangle? Alright, boys and girls, let's take it once again, and this time I want you to repeat after me. Circle, circle. Again, circle. Triangle, triangle. Can you say that? Again, triangle. Good job. Square. This is a square shape. Can you say that? Good job. Rectangle. Rectangle. Can you say that? Good job. Rectangle. Alright, boys and girls, that will be the end of today's class. Don't forget that Mrs. Ness-ana loves you. Bye.